So here we are, we're going to start working on Excel project number 5. So what you're going to do first, by the way, this is for the first sheet, the Jobs tab. So you're going to open up Microsoft Excel, and what you're going to do in column A1 is you're going to put job number right here, just like that. Tab over, type description, so that way you know what the job is besides the number. That way, for later on in your VLOOKUPs, you'll be able to look both the job number, the description, and then in your third column, you're going to do pay rate in per hour. So per hour of work is going to be depending on what job they're doing. And then, of course, you're going to make the columns big enough so that they fit the entire description, what you're trying to say. For this one, you need to have at least 5 jobs, so we'll just go down the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like that. And since this is for a landscaping company, you can just kind of make up some different jobs that landscaping companies will do, such as you can do mowing lawns. What else could they do? They could do fertilizing, planting flowers, irrigation, and then of course raking leaves or dead grass. We'll just put raking in here. And of course then you're also going to go and just make this column a little bit bigger so that it fits everything in here. In the pay rate, so what you want to do is click on the column, the entire column number, change it to currency right here, and then you can make up legitimate amounts per hour of whatever the job's going to be. So we'll say 15 here, 10 here, 12 here, 15 here, like 10 or 12 here. We'll go with 10 for this one. And now that that's done, you can take column A, well, not column A, you'll go the first row and you'll center it right here. So you'll click center content. It's going to center everything. And along with your first column, you're also going to want to center it. We'll leave column B left aligned, and then column C, we'll leave it right aligned just for now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select the entire table just like this. Doesn't matter how you select it. And you're going to click on the Borders tab, go All Borders, just to kind of make it look nice. Now after that is we're going to do a graph. So I'll pause the video real fast and let you guys figure out what descriptions you want to do if you want to do more than 5 jobs and to come up with the pay rate per hour of these said jobs. Alright, so now that you guys got all that figured out and what you want to do, you're going to select your entire table just like this, and you're going to click this quick analysis bar right here. You're going to go to charts, pie chart, and insert your pie chart right here. Now after that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move this over as the instructions say, starting in probably A9, ending in F20 something. And what you're going to do is first off, you want to change this. You want to change the name of the title of this to what your tab's going to be, so Jobs tab. And we'll just leave that Jobs for now. And then what you're going to do after that is you're just going to right click. You're going to left click on the whole chart, add chart elements, data labels. That's what you're going to do. And that inputs all of these right here. Next, you're going to want to move your legend to the right side, just like that. So now it's on the right side, and everything different color coordinated, and so on. Now what you want to do is you want to click just the one section, and what you're going to want to do is on your data labels, more options, and you're going to want to change this to the inside end, just like that, or the inside end is what we want to do. And after that, that should be all set. Once you're done with that, you're going to click on whatever has the highest amount for your pie chart. So in this value, we'll click this little blue slice for mowing lawns, hold Control, and click this one over here as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to change the point of explosion to 10%, just so that way it's easier for you to see which slice of the pie or which jobs cost the most money. That is all for the job sheet, and then I will see you guys on the next video for sheet 2.